10 habits to develop for financial stability and success. Isn't it amazing to not have to be concerned about money or regulate your finances ever again? Is there a magic formula or easy trick that can do this? Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 habits from which you can achieve financial stability. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. There are some straightforward things you can do right away to better your financial situation, even if that may not be realistic. Gaining financial success and financial stability require the cultivation of sound financial habits, just like any other aim. In the previous few years, I've done a lot of research on this subject in an effort to pay off debt, boost my savings, and provide my family more financial security. I'll elaborate on each one of these habits in more detail, but I wanted to present them all in one place. Below, in no particular order, are the items. Make savings auto-magical. Your primary priority should be this, especially if you don't yet have a substantial emergency savings. Having a certain amount automatically sent from your checking account to your savings account will make it the first bill you pay each payday. Try an online savings account. Simply make sure this transaction occurs each and every paycheck without giving it a second thought. Control your impulse spending. The main issue facing many of us, the largest budget booster for many people, impulsive spending on things like eating out, shopping, and internet purchases is a surefire way to fall into serious financial trouble. Keep a little notebook nearby and add a modest tally on it each time you feel the urge to buy something, pragmatic or not. Add up every impulse, including those to buy something in person or online. Browse a catalog, daydream about that new iPod while working on your desk, or even have repeated urges to purchase the same thing. Just monitor the cravings, whether you act on them or not. The desires are frequently unconscious. If you aren't conscious of your spending, you won't be able to manage it. Evaluate your expenses and live frugally. Accept the 1-month challenge if you've ever kept track of your spending. Then, take a look at your spending and decide what you can eliminate or reduce. Determine whether each expense is absolutely essential before eliminating the rest. Being frugal doesn't mean being stingy. Being resourceful is important. It involves finding ways to save money wherever you can, whether through coupons, freebies, or do-it-yourself tricks, so you can concentrate your resources and attention on the things you value, like saving for a comfortable retirement, exploring the world, or living debt-free. Invest in your future. Young people typically don't give retirement much thought, but it's crucial. Plan for retirement today, even if you believe you can put it off. If you start in your 20s, the increase of your investment over time will be phenomenal. If your firm is willing to match up to the maximum amount of your contributions to your 401k, do so first. The next best option is probably a Roth IRA. Do some research, but begin right away no matter what. Keep your family secure. Saving money for emergencies and unforeseen costs is crucial to healthy personal finance, since they can happen when you least expect them to. Life is full of peaks and valleys. A hot water heater leak can flood a room. Your car might break down and requires pricey repairs, or you might get sick and need to pay a lot of money for medical care. We may always prepare to handle the bills, but we can't always be ready for the physical or mental problems life throws at us. In order to have money in case of an emergency, the first step is to start saving for an emergency fund. Make a will as soon as you can and purchase life insurance if you are married or have dependents. Also, look into alternative insurance such as renters or homeowners. The topic of money can be very sensitive. Furthermore, maintaining objectivity is significantly more challenging once emotions enter the decision-making process. Based on what is most thrilling, advantageous, or entertaining right now, decisions get biased. Unfortunately, these quick decisions frequently have less than desirable long-term consequences. You must develop the ability to control your emotions and adopt a long-term perspective in order to manage money effectively. For instance, it is much preferable to consider what is best for your family in 5, 10, or 15 years, as opposed to what is best right now. Living in the moment is enjoyable, but having a secure financial future can make it easier for you to sleep at night. Although having a secure financial future doesn't mean you can't appreciate the resources you have right now, you must be wise about striking a balance between it and your current needs. Eliminate and avoid debt. Debt doesn't have to be your enemy, even though it has the ability to harm your finances. Debt can help you develop good money habits, build your credit, and accomplish your goals if you take it on for a desirable cause, and if paying it off fits well within your budget. However, there are some circumstances in which it is preferable to avoid debt. For instance, credit scores can suffer, and interest rates can soar if you have credit card debt that you can only pay the minimal amount toward each month. Another illusion is a car loan with an excessively high monthly payment. As a result, you run the danger of missing payments and having trouble paying other crucial expenses. You should begin a debt removal strategy, whether you have credit card debt, personal loans, or other types of debt. List all of your debts, placing the ones with the lowest balances at the top and those with the highest balances at the bottom. Then, pay as much as you can toward the debt at the top, even if it's just an additional $40 to $50. More would be better. Celebrate when you've paid off the sum. Then, add the amount of the minimum payment of the next greatest loan. For example, if you were paying the minimum payment of $70 plus the extra $50, your total payment would be $120. This approach should be continued until all of your debts have been paid off, with your spare money growing as you go. Even though it could take several years, this is a very worthwhile and important procedure. Use the envelope system. The amount of money you have available for spending is easily tracked with this technique. Let's imagine you allocate 3 amounts each pay period, one for groceries, one for gas, and one for eating out. On payday, take out the sums and place them in 3 distinct envelopes. As a result, it will be simple for you to keep track of how much money you have left over for each of these costs, and you will be aware as soon as you do. You don't go over budget in these areas. You might need to reevaluate your budget if you constantly run out too quickly. Pay bills immediately or automatically. Paying bills as soon as they arrive is a good practice. Additionally, make an effort to get your invoices paid automatically whenever possible. Use the bank's online check system to make recurring automatic payments for those who are unable to do so. In this manner, you can cover all the usual costs in your budget. Read about personal finance. Money cannot make you happy, but if you handle your money wisely, it may give you a sense of security. You might always feel like your life is one step away from a financial precipice if you don't have a handle on your money management. The more knowledge you have, the better your financial situation will be. Look to grow your net worth. Do everything you can to increase your net worth, whether it be paying off debt, saving more money, growing your income, or doing all 3. Find new ways to earn money or strategies to get paid more for your work. Calculating your net worth each month will allow you to watch it increase over the course of several months, and it feels wonderful. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.